Seriously, Don, I think you should go to the bathroom before you watch this. Sorry about that, fans. While that girl runs off to empty herself, we're gonna kick back and relax and draw LUMINO DRAGONOID. Yeah. Thanks for noticing that. And I understand. One thing about Lumino, he looks a lot like Helix Dragonoid. Only this one has these extra parts below his wings. Consider them as extra wings. Surprising, isn't it? There's literally a difference between the two of them. Besides the battle gear. Alright, let's get started, shall we? Just stand you up. Alright. Alright, got that taken care of. Anyway, drawing LUMINO DRAGONOID is quite an easy task. There we are. There we are. After Helix Dragonoid, this guy, well, this form, he has the core on his chest. Well, he has the perfect core on his chest, and, well, below it is this large spike. Alright, now we draw this mark here. There we are. Alright.
Bing bang, digga-rigga-dong. First thing that I say after I wake up. Bing bang, digga-rigga-dong. I say those words before I go to sleep. Get on up, it's time to dance, yeah. It's so much fun being up on our feet. So we go up, up, do the jump, move around and clap your hands together. Down, down, turn around, having fun is what it's all about. Bing bang, digga-rigga-dong. Funny words I sing when I am dancing. Bing bang, digga-rigga-dong. Silly words that can mean anything. Get on up, it's time to dance, yeah. It's so much fun being up on our feet. So we go up, up, do the jump, move around and clap your hands together. Down, down, turn around, having fun is what it's all about. Oh, 1, 2, me and you, move around and clap your hands together. 3, 4, on the floor, having fun is what it's all about. It's up to me and you to show them what we can do. You gotta hold your head up high. We can't give up before we try.
There we are. One last thing to draw, and that's the wings.
Begins.
So always tell yourself, never say never. We gotta give our best to make it. Superpower. You gotta reach up high and take it. We never give in.
It's time to make a move. Ready to get into the groove. And everything is up to you. You have to show what you can do. And now the game begins.
So always tell yourself, never say never. We gotta give our best to make it. Superpower. You gotta reach up high and take it. We never give in.
Let's break it down. Jump to the side. Jump to the side. Muscle and down. Jump and punch. Jump and punch. Up with your arms and clap. Faster. Jump. Jump. Muscle. Down. Punch. Punch. Up and clap.
So always tell yourself,
There we are.
never say never. We gotta give our best to make it. Superpower.
more.
You gotta reach up high and take it.
We never give in.
Pass on the torch.
Welcome to Lazy Town, a place where you wanna stay. You'll meet Robbie with
And
his
finished.
fun plan, and spot a good
That's how you draw
friend.
Lumino Dragonoid.
Stephanie is new in town.
One thing about this guy, well, he has this, he has a battle gear that, well, it's really hard to find. Well, it matches with this Bakugan battle gear, but unfortunately for him, well, basically when this battle gear came out in stores, it was a very hard to find gear. Well, I never exactly got my hands on it, so instead of showing you a battle gear that isn't really in my arsenal, well, it was a new upgrade for Lumino Dragonoid in the show, but it never showed up in time for the end of Gundalian Invaders and the beginning of Mectanium Surge. So basically, instead of showing you the new gear Lumino Dragonoid has, I'm just gonna add New Kick's gear onto his back, just to remind you of what it looks like. I know. By the way, opening this Bakugan into its unfolded state, it's really hard to do. I mean, I usually had to pull the tail down because the magnet wasn't really responding. Anyhow, that's how you draw Lumino Dragonoid. Farewell, guys.